is going to be a review of the Plumeet Easy Setting LED alarm clock. I just did a review of one of their clocks a couple weeks ago. Check it out on my channel. Their clock is really nice, so I can't wait to be doing a review of this one. On the box, it says volume control, brightness control, 2 USB ports. I think one of them is a charger, and the other is used to charge the clock. Has a snooze, battery backup, 24-hour time. Same thing listed on the box over there, adjustable volume. So, how to set the time. The thing about their other clock, it was so easy to adjust the time and all the settings without needing instructions. So, I got this on Amazon. Let's see what it says. 2 levels of alarm volume, optional, large red digital display, bedside desk clock with USB port, phone charger, simple operation, and it's in black. So, let's take it out of the box now and see what we've got here. Thank you notice. And what do we have here? We've got a charging cable, regular USB charging cable it looks like. I'm not sure if that's for charging or just for the USB port. Probably for charging. Oh, here we go. We have an AC adapter. Very nice. I like this. So we're just using a standard charging cable. Plug it in the AC, or if you have a computer, plug it in there and charge that up. Or if you're using this in your car, you should be able to charge it up from an auto that has a USB port, I would think. I don't see why not. So, runs on batteries. What do we have here? We have time setting, 24-hour, alarm on off, alarm volume. There's the USB ports. We have a, area for 2 AAA batteries. And I'm going to plug this thing in now. I'm going to get some batteries and turn it on and see what it looks like. First, I want to plug it in and see if it will run on the USB without the batteries. I got a smile on my face already. I just plugged this into the computer and look at this. Oh my God. Now, I was happy with the other clock, but I wanted to have a display that was always on so you could see it across the room at night. And look at this, is absolutely beautiful. Oh, wow. All right, so what I want to do now, let me look at the back and we'll try to do some time adjusting here. Sorry about the glare from the camera and the lights, but that's how it goes. So I press the time. I'm not reading the instructions. I just press the time and we're flashing. And it's in 24-hour mode right now. Let's see, we're at 2018. So let's go to 2018. Oh, okay, so they're going to press the time a second time. Now we go to the minutes. I just love clocks that make it easy to change the time. So you couldn't ask for anything better. 2018, I've got that set just by doing the 3 buttons here. The time for the minute, press it again for the, for the hour, press it again for the minute. The alarm, I want the alarm off, but if we wanted the alarm on, then alarm is off, alarm is on, alarm is off. So what I want to do is I want to, I don't know what this alarm button is. This is for setting the alarm time. And we're going to use the alarm and the plus and the minus. So we're going to set it for 2018. We're going to set it for 2020. Hold the button. Wow, I just love it. 20. And then I'm going to press the alarm button again. And now we're on the minutes. And we're going to go 2020. And we're going to see how loud this thing is. It did say it has a snooze. So we're going to do the alarm. Alarm is off. We have 1 minute to go. There's the snooze and the dimmer. Let's try the dimmer now and see what happens. Okay, that works. Does it go completely off? I don't know how this works. Again, I'm not reading the instructions. Battery's about to die on the camera, so I've got to finish this off. Oh, yes, look at that. Look how bright this thing is. You can see this across the room. It's absolutely beautiful. I don't know how big these displays are. Let me look. Does it say? It says the alarm will last for about 3 minutes until going into snooze, 10-minute intervals, adjustable volume on the snooze. I'm not worried about the volume. Runs on 2 AAA batteries, like I said, dual USB ports. So let's see, where is the, that's the alarm. Okay, so we've got the low and the high, and it's going to go off on the high, and then we're going to see what it sounds like and then switch over to the low. It should have gone off. Did I mess something up? Oh, I have the alarm off. What in the world am I thinking? Okay, I set it for 20:21, which is 8:21 p.m. That was not the alarm. It's going to go off any second, and we've got the high volume, and then I'll switch it over to low. So the nice thing is, okay, not bad. That's good. That's going to wake you up. I think if it's like their other clock, it's going to get louder in a second. There it goes. So let's go to low. Okay, so you could have this on the nightstand if you are a light sleeper. If you're not a light sleeper, if you're a heavy sleeper, I'm going to press this. This is a beautiful clock. It is very reasonably priced. It took seconds to adjust the time and the alarm. These numbers are huge. It says it's a 5-inch LED, so I think they mean 5 inches going from end to end. What do we have here? This is probably about an inch, maybe an inch and a half, 2 inches high. Maybe I'd say about an inch and a half high by 5 inches wide. So you could keep this plugged in with your AC adapter if you want to. Keep it plugged in all the time. And you've got a charge port on the back. All right, I just looked and it said, yes, it is an inch and a half, according to their description and my thumb. So it's an inch and a half, and it's just really bright. So let's turn off the lights again. I wish I could turn off the monitor, but that is the red, the big, bold 1.5-inch high red colors, and this really stands out. With a clock like this, plug it into the wall with the AC adapter, and use it as an alarm clock. Put this on a mantle. You can put your AAA batteries in there, and you don't have to have any wires. You can, since you can run it with batteries, you can have this in your car. You could put this on your dashboard, and you're really going to see the time when you're driving around at night. Plus, you'll have a nice little red tint over there for the LED display. Put this in the kitchen. Keep it next to the computer. Plug it into the USB port and charge it that way. Keep it running off the USB port. Plus, as I said, you have the additional USB charge port for MP3 players or whatever you want. I didn't see how much current it supplies. They didn't have that in the description, but this is a very attractive, very sleek, very stylish, modern-looking clock.